Be vegan, make peace, do good deeds, heaven Godspeed.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
รายการของเรามีให้หลายภาษาโปรดดู suprememastertv.com/schedule
Maldives, a sunny paradise in the Indian Ocean. Continue watching to find out more.
Get it back into the danger zone. Downing spins it in, comes out. Carlos Cuellar. Yes!
Vegans aren't all slim and weak people. On the contrary, I feel much better than before. Carlos Cuellar, vegan.
Harmonious viewers, on the tropical island country of Maldives, greet the locals with Hello Kihine. That's how are you in the official Divehi language. I'm Amira. The universe is adorned with countless planets waiting for us to explore. Won't it be wonderful to one day meet our celestial neighbors? The curious Maldives people pray that humanity will elevate spiritually to join the universal community of peace. Welcome to our program, Maldives, a sunny paradise in the Indian Ocean. At the heart of the Indian Ocean sits Maldives, an independent island country consisting of almost 1,200 small islands stretching along 871 kilometers. The islands are spread over 90,000 square kilometers and comprise over 200 inhabited islands. This includes 26 natural atolls formed from coral reefs developing around the top of sunken prehistoric volcanoes, with none rising more than 2 meters above sea level. The archipelago has a total land area of 298 square kilometers, making Maldives the smallest country in all of Asia and the 8th smallest country in the world. The country's unique geography, which spans across the equator, means one can consistently enjoy a tropical climate that is hot and humid all year round, with an average annual temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. Due to these natural factors, it is inevitably advertised to the world as the sunny side of life. Combined beautifully together with its picturesque beaches and an incredible array of stunning marine life, it is also commonly described as a tropical paradise. These are only some of the many reasons that make Maldives a leading and popular holiday destination for tourists. This beautiful island nation calls the coconut tree its national tree, for good reason. Virtually, all parts of the tree can be used to sustain human life in a variety of ways. It not only produces coconut milk, water, and oil, prized for their culinary uses and healthful benefits, but the coconut fibers are also useful for the construction of boats. Home to just over 500,000 people, the Maldives follow the principles of Islam, designated as the official state religion, with the majority of the population practicing Sunni Islam. Its unique culture and traditions were primarily shaped by Indian, Arab, Persian, and even African influences. People of diverse origins have visited the islands while traversing through the trading routes of the central Indian Ocean. Maldivians have built and preserved an exclusive cultural identity through this infusion of various cultural traditions. The locals converse using a language of their own called Difehi, which is the country's national language. They also speak and understand English, while French, German, and other international languages are widely used. The Grand Friday Mosque is the largest mosque in Maldives, situated in the capital city of Malé. Its huge golden dome and modest white marble walls are simple yet incredibly unique. The Sadhu Buddhist Temple is another important historical site discovered in the 1950s and houses Buddhist artifacts. Historical ruins of Buddhist stupas are also found on ISDU Island, laying evidence that Buddhism once thrived in the Maldives. Regarding arts and crafts, Maldivians have gained a reputation for being avid artisans. The mastery and inventiveness can be seen in their distinctive lacquer works, or liela jehun, as it's known in the local tongue, which is wood sculpturing. The intricate designs are carved with flowing flowery patterns in strands of red, black, and yellow resin. These are used to make objects such as ornaments, jewelry boxes, and vases of various sizes, to name just a few. Other traditional crafts include mat weaving, which women commonly practice, and calligraphy. One of the most famous Maldivian cultural displays, involving singing and dancing, is the Bodu Beru. The word literally translates to big or Bodu drums or Beru. Dating back to the 11th century, the male performers, numbering around 15, wear the traditional garb of sarongs and wide-sleeved shirts. Female performers wear long dresses that immediately catch the eye. Given their large embroidered collar made from gold and silver threads, the pace of the music and dance starts with a slow beat and then gradually picks up in tempo and intensity. It is guaranteed to make you sway along with the rhythm.
Vegan side effect: might regret that you didn't go vegan sooner.
Charming viewers, let's pause for a moment to hear a brief message. We'll return shortly. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television.
Warning: sensitive images.
Welcome back to our program, Maldives, a sunny paradise in the Indian Ocean. Maldives' vibrant ecosystems are home to a myriad of marine life, ranging from hundreds of species of fish people to sea turtle and dolphin people. Maldives' manta ray people are giant gentle creatures that pose no harm to humans, as they have neither a stinger nor teeth. However, due to fishing, habitat degradation, and climate change, the number of manta ray people in the area has been declining in recent years. Thankfully, organizations like Manta Trust are working hard to protect these gentle beings. As the lowest nation in the world, there are serious concerns about the effects of rising sea levels and the dangers of flooding posed by climate change to the Maldivians. According to the 2021 Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change report, even if net zero emissions are reached, sea level rise will continue because the deep ocean will continue to warm and ice sheets will take time to catch up to the warming caused by past and present emissions. Ocean and ice sheets are slow to respond to environmental changes. Sea level rise will increase the frequency and severity of extreme sea level events at coasts, such as storm surges, wave inundation, and tidal floods. Risk can be increased by even small changes in global average sea level. At the release of this report, former President of Maldives, His Excellency Mohamed Nasheed, commented on Twitter, "This report is devastating news for the most climate-vulnerable countries like the Maldives. It confirms we are on the edge of extinction. Climate emergency is intensifying. We are on the front lines. Our nations are already battered by extreme climate." At the 2021 United Nations Climate Change Conference of the Parties, or COP26, the Minister of Environment for the Maldives, Her Excellency Aminath Shana, expressed her frustration at the outcome, along with other members of the Alliance of Small Island States, comprising of 39 low-lying coastal and island nations.
What is balanced and pragmatic to other parties will not help the Maldives adapt in time. For us, this is a matter of survival.
To counter the effects of climate change, the Maldives government has embarked on a new age solution to protect its people against tidal swells and beach erosion.
A floating city may mean hope for the Maldives. The Maldives Floating City project is designed in a pattern similar to brain coral, and when finished will have canals running between 5,000 homes, restaurants, schools, and stores. The floating concept is important here. By staying on top of the water, the island can rise and fall with the sea level, lessening the threat of climate change. Residents are expected to move to the Maldives Floating City starting in 2024.
Another project the government recently introduced has shifted from the traditional use and dispose system of waste management to a forward-thinking waste-to-wealth approach, which adopts a model of upcycling or transforming unwanted waste materials, namely plastic, to be reused as much as possible in an eco-friendly way. Backed by several development partners, including the World Bank, plans are underway to build world-class waste management centers and vocational education and training programs for its citizens. Additionally, a new waste plant producing green energy will be built on Tilafushi, the infamous trash island in Maldives, which has been releasing toxic fumes from burning domestic waste for almost 3 decades. To ensure a green, sustainable future, the Maldives has also introduced a single-use plastic phase-out by 2023, which has been implemented since June 1, 2021. Items such as plastic-based plates, cups, cutlery, and even bottles in plastic packaging above certain thresholds are now effectively banned from import into the country. To cap off more environmentally friendly news, the demand for vegan and plant-based meals at resorts continues to rise. Amila Maldives Resort and Residences is championing this shift by offering vegan menus at every restaurant at their resort. We applaud the wise actions of the Maldivian government and citizens for acting boldly and swiftly to protect their country from the devastating effects of climate change and preserve its natural beauty. Whether you wish to explore the beautiful beaches, immerse yourself in its rich coral reefs, or perhaps enjoy the historical and cultural sites and vegan-friendly food, the Maldives clearly has plenty to offer. You will be pleased to know that a 30-day free tourist visa is granted for all nationalities on arrival.
Vegan, one step closer to heaven.
Optimistic viewers, thank you for your company today during our show. Maldives, a sunny paradise in the Indian Ocean. Up next is Near-Death Experiences, Exploring Heavens and the Afterlife, Part 3 of a multi-part series. Right after noteworthy news. In celestial wisdom, may everyone collaborate and support one another to conserve our precious natural world.
Be vegan, make peace, do good deeds, hell not reach.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/CTAW.